I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. You check the micro SD card, adapter, and reader for visible damage and clean the contacts so measurements are reliable. Once done, you back up any important files because tests can overwrite data. Next, you connect the card to a known working USB reader on a stable computer. Make sure the reader reports the correct capacity. This prevents false failures and sets you up for accurate, repeatable testing results. You proceed to performance testing. Use F3 on Mac and Linux or H2 Testwa on Windows to write, then verify the card across its entire capacity so you detect fake sizes or bad sectors. Then run sequential and random read/write benchmarks to measure MB/S and consistency. These show real-world behavior for photos or video. If you find errors, format the card with the official SD formatter to reset allocation tables. Then repeat tests to confirm whether corruption was transient or persistent. You finish by verifying integrity. Copy known test files and compare hashes so you confirm data wasn't silently corrupted. Once done, evaluate results. Consistent speeds and zero errors mean the card is good. Recurring verification failures or bad sectors mean you should stop using the card and seek replacement. If results are inconclusive, try a different reader, USB port, or device firmware update. This troubleshooting step often isolates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.